everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Vancity Bank online banking account. So let's get started right away. Open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in vancity.com and search. Once you end up in the official site for Vancity, click on the login button at the top right hand corner. You will then end up in the login page. To log into your account, you'll need to enter the last 10 digits of your member card number. After you are done, click on the next button. It'll then ask you for your password. Type in your correct password for your online banking account and you can click on the login button to access your account. But if you don't remember your password during the process, click on the forgot password link and follow through the password reset process. After filling in both of your credentials, click on login and you'll be able to log into your Vancity online banking account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.